Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 8 and let me share with you how to update the apps on this device. So first of all, make sure that you've got the internet connection, and I highly recommend using Wi-Fi instead of mobile data, and then we can open the Play Store. So here, all you need to do is to tap on the circle in the right upper corner, which is your account. And be aware, because if you do not have your account added to the device, you will not be able to actually follow my steps. If you don't want to do it on your own, you can check our tutorial of how to add or remove a Google account in this device. So let's tap on the circle and go to Manage Apps on Device. Here, let's tap on Updates Available, and basically here we've got the list of all updates pending, and it depends what you wish to do. So you can either tap on Update All, and your device will update all of the apps that are listed here, or you can simply tap on Update next to the specific app, and you will update only this app. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.